What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different...
Hey guys, Mom and I are headed to Animal Kingdom Lodge and we're gonna go eat breakfast at Boma. So Mom has never been here. I'm excited for her to see the resort and check out all the food and see the animals and all that stuff. So let's go. So we made it to Boma and Mom has gone up to go get her food and I'm gonna follow her up there. So I ended up getting a little bit lost, so we're running a little bit late, but we're gonna head up to the bar and grab some food before they take it all out. So we have the creamy white cornmeal, the chakalaka, grilled asparagus, some oak grilled tomatoes. We got the turkey babouti and some carved ham. And not yet. And the Boma mustard. And here's my favorite, the oatmeal.
They got two different ones here.
Yeah, they got the regular oatmeal, the steel cut oats, and the coconut oatmeal. I'm gonna squeeze around it. If you guys haven't had the coconut oatmeal, it is the bomb diggity. Have you ever had a Mickey waffle?
Yeah.
So they have Simba waffles and Mickey waffles here, so you got to get one.
Okay.
And we've got the potato barrels, biscuit and sausage gravy. Supposed to be some pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes, the Simba waffles. They got scrambled eggs with goat cheese and chives. All kinds of omelets, Western omelet, ham and cheese omelet, and a regular cheese omelet. The bacon, ancient grain berry salad. I want to try this. This looks good. They didn't have this before when I was here. And some more fruit. Parfait. A little bit of a charcuterie board. And now the good stuff. The mini muffins. They got blueberry muffins, chocolate chip muffins, fruit and nut fall spiced muffins. Let's see, apple pockets, guava turnovers, and croissants. They got butterscotch bread pudding, pecan praline sauce, and sticky buns. And cinnamon roll, and assorted bagels, grape jam, orange marmalade, all kinds of stuff.
Everything.
A little bit of everything, yeah. All right, this looks so good. And Mom got the little bowl of ancient seeds. I don't know. We're gonna find out. Mom, tell us how you like the coconut oatmeal.
I really like it. I like that they make it with sweetened coconut milk.
Yeah, it is so good.
It's going to be my new thing at the house.
Yeah, are you gonna try it?
Yep.
I would pay $35 for the buffet just to eat that. It's so good. Oh, I thought you had it. They're so good, aren't they? People go crazy over the Mickey waffles. Just the flavor, the vanilla taste to them and stuff is really good. So this is interesting. I want to see what's in this. I gotta put my eyeballs on so I can see. It's got strawberries and pumpkin seeds, cranberries. Looks like some quinoa. It's got golden raisins in it. Or as Uncle Jeff would call them, a box of boogers.
Yeah.
Okay, let's give it. And oh, look at that big old blueberry. It's different. I like it. It tastes healthy. It's healthful. It's like fresh and refreshing. It's got like a zesty flavor to it, but a little bit of sweet. Ancient grains salad, is that what it was called? It's healthy. It's healthy. I feel good about myself eating it because after I finish this, I'm gonna go get cinnamon buns and bread pudding. You like it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It makes you feel good about yourself when you eat it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I snack on these things. These
Yeah.
are the things I eat. Yeah. I was mostly taste testing all this. Looking forward to this.
So I went back and I got some more of the sausage and bacon and a Mickey waffle and some potato barrels and the omelet. That was so cute. So they're going around and playing the drum, and they have the little kids joining in with them. This is fun. Okay, so now we're going to go show Mom around Animal Kingdom Lodge. So this goes out to the pool area. That's Jico over there. That's the signature restaurant.
Got about all these plants.
Yeah, I bet you do.
Rabbit.
So we'll walk over towards this way. Look at this, isn't this pretty?
I've got those. I'll have this little small pond like this. It gets spindly like that, but then I have
So here's the pool area without being too creepy and showing all the kids and people in the pool. So there's the pool area. And then me and Mom are going to walk around. She's going to tell me all the plants that she has in her yard that they have here. Let's walk over this way. I don't know what's over here. Let's go see. Oh yeah, those are pretty. I like those. The lighthouses. That's a hibiscus. Yeah.
Yeah, I need. You had it on your tip of your tongue. Here's,
Yeah. Well, I recognize it because it's in my
Lumbago.
front yard. Mine doesn't look pretty like that. But
I need to work on my plumbago and get it straight.
I told Steve the other day that I wanted to start working in the yard a little bit, and he's like, don't even try to take that on. You're not going to be able to find time for that and everything else.
Well, you could, like me and Jimmy.
And
are
like, I
wanting
just
to
thought it
work-
was going to be relaxing or something, but
It can be.
I think it's just, well, I mean, if I'm going to do it, I need to do it before it gets too hot.
Right. Well, or learn to start working in it now.
And
before
move,
the heat.
move where the shade goes.
Move with the shade.
Yeah.
You know.
So they got the kids' play area here. This is nice. And I think last time we were here, they had movie Under the Stars, maybe over in this direction.
There's
Flamingos.
yeah, but they've got giraffes back over there.
Okay. Let's go see.
Japanese orchid tree.
Look at that one. Isn't that pretty?
Now the one in Lita's yard is a pink one.
And bamboo. Do not climb.
This is called nail polish vermilion.
Nail polish vermilion?
Yeah. Fingernail.
Fingernail.
Or polished nail.
Get it right. You're on camera.
I'm trying to remember.
Good-
It has
good.
something to do with this is supposed to be like
Google it.
fingernail. That's just its nickname.
I like these.
Huh?
I think that's pretty. It's just like a filler. They're way over there. I like the way they make those look like little huts on top. How are you?
Are century
Good.
plants.
What are they?
Century plants.
Oh, okay.
This one.
Oh, the big ones?
Yeah, I've got those in my yard, and they get a big shoot because way up, probably about as tall as that one over there, the light is,
Mm-hmm.
with little small flowers that come out.
Really?
Yeah. And it does it. It has to be a certain age before it'll actually bloom.
Bloom like that. Go see the stinky flamingos. Oh, they're mad too, because like they're cleaning out all their water, so they got them over here on dry land. And I think they're a little cranky. Mom, come here. See the little ibis down there in the middle trying to look like a flamingo?
Yeah.
Look at him.
He's imitating it.
He's trying to blend in with his surroundings. That's too funny. He's like, I belong here. So Mom's taking pictures of things that she can DIY at home. She's so cute. Go around on the other side.
All I needed is to remind me what I saw.
Okay.
I can take it from there.
Okay. And there's your plants that you want to get. This is the only plant that she doesn't have. Ooh, look at those. Those are cool.
Yeah, I know. I had those. I don't know where they're at because it's grown up so much
Yeah.
from taking care of Mom.
And these have a flower that come out of it, huh?
Yeah.
Does that belong to that plant?
Yeah. it
Okay.
does.
So we're going to be staying here in just a couple weeks. So I'll do a full tour of all the cool things. But we stayed here for our anniversary right after COVID, I think it was. And somewhere up in this building here, they have a place that bats could go. And I remember coming over. We had come over here and we were sitting, and all of a sudden, all these bats were just like flying out of one of these little pillar things from this building, and I'm not sure where it was, but it was the coolest freaking thing. It might have been from up that way. So, come over here, Mom. So I was telling everybody that when we stayed here during COVID, we had come over, or after COVID, we come over here and we were sitting, and Steve had gone to do something, and I was sitting here, and they had like a ton of bats that came flying out of one of these little pillar things, like there was a bat home in there. And I can't see where it would have been, but I hope they still have it because I want to see it when we come over here to stay. It might have been up there. I'm not really sure. It was somewhere, and they all just come flying. They like literally come flying out sideways, and they were just like all just tons of them just flying out really fast. It was really cool.
Care of the mosquitoes.
Exactly, yeah. And then this is the quick serve. We'll go in here. I'll show you the zebra domes. To the left. So you can come in and they have snacks and things.
They've been doing like putting a plastic like wrap on top.
And they have these peanut butter chocolate cookies. Cookie brownies. What are those? Are they chocolate chunk cookies? I thought it was peanut butter. Those look good. Chocolate antelope horns. That looks neat. Chocolate antelope horns. And Mickey bars. Coffee coconut brownie. What? If I hadn't, yeah, there's the zebra domes.
Yeah.
So you can get those and take them home before we leave if you want to, and you and Dad can try them.
It might get a set
Look,
of so, yeah.
raindrop tarts, allergy-friendly brownies, sunflower cakes. Let's see what that is. Oh, that's cute. Sunflower cakes. And then the zebra domes, Mara cupcakes, and a coffee and coconut brownie. If I wouldn't have just eaten my weight in Mickey-shaped waffles, I'd get one. All right, so let's go back upstairs and we'll go out and I'll show you where the animals are and stuff.
Okay.
All right, now we're gonna go out and see some
There's a gift shop over here.
aminals. Yeah, we'll do the gift shop too. Aren't those cool? With the ostrich egg on top. What do you think?
Look at this rocking chair.
Look at the rocket chairs. Here. Let me get the door for you.
Look at that metal vines.
Uh-huh. Wouldn't you hate to have to clean that window?
This is shrimp plant right here. When it gets big, it'll get a little piece on it. Looks like a shrimp tail.
Shrimp tail? Oh, yeah?
I got that.
It's going to be mom's backyard show and tell.
Yeah, we'll get it all straightened out. This is rain tree.
Yeah?
They'll probably pull it.
Why is it? Is it like to take over? They like to take over.
Welcome everybody. If you have a question, Joseph is here to attend to your question.
Thank you.
There's some giraffes there, waterback, and a wild beast. Those are wild beasts over there, sir. Giraffe, waterback, and some East African King Kong. And we also
Okay, this is either a mimosa or a frangipania tree. It's coming out.
The whole tree?
The whole tree.
Oh, okay.
The tree.
All right.
They need to label all their plants here.
Yeah. Maybe you could get a job and do that and get us some benefits. And this is a 3-bedroom penthouse. That's a bucket list right there. That's a bucket list.
Yeah, we have different focuses on things. We're both focused on different things.
Priorities.
Yeah, priorities.
That's pretty. That right there?
Almost every one of these will get some kind of a little flower
flower?
shoot or.
Oh, I like that too. That's pretty. I like the way that that's a different shade of green than the rest of it. And
See,
a little baby lizard.
See, here's this. May not have much of this that you can use because here I'm talking about plants all the way through.
I'm sure somebody will like to hear about the plants. All right.
Can we go back up?
Yeah, we'll go upstairs, and you want to go to the gift shop?
We can do that.
Do you see the little plants over here? Look. Let's see what they have new here. That's cute. Oh, that's pretty. I like the quarter zips. That's like the one that they have over there at Wilderness. Same style. Oh, I could get matching leggings to match my bag. No. Oh, yeah, I like that. That is cute. I like this. That's cute.
I walked. Did you walk? Yeah, how'd you get here? Took the plane? We took the train. Oh my God. Must have been in different colors.
Oh, this is a cute bag.
I just wanted.
I like that. And I like this shirt too. Oh, look what Mom found. I like that, Mom.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
Isn't that pretty?
Uh-huh.
It's lightweight too, feel it.
Yeah, it is. You can wear a little tank top maybe underneath it, a little camisole or something. Or not. They got some new mugs. This is cute. Please stand clear of the doors. With the monorail on it. All the parks on this one. Magical kitchen. They have for magic bands. You got the Spider-Man one. Jaden wants this one. So we decided to walk over to Kidani Village so Mom can see what that's like. And it's a nice little walk. It's not too bad. The weather's good, so that works out. I think we want to go this way and up around that way.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Mom's enjoying the scenery. Yep. Yep.
Love the landscape.
Wait till I take her to the Polynesian. She's gonna love it there. She'll be going straight to Lowe's after the Polynesian. What are these little flowers here, Mom?
Looks almost like bridal spray.
Those are pretty. I like those.
It looks a lot like it. Like you'd find in bouquets,
Yeah,
you know.
like baby's breath.
Yeah, kind of like that.
I just love the little huts. They're so cute. Look how the palm tree goes up in through the hole there. Let's go out on the little thing here. They're way over there. So, Mom, what do you think? Animal Kingdom Lodge.
I like it. I like it.
It's nice.
It feels like you're in some nature.
Yeah,
You know.
it's relaxing.
Yeah.
It's calming.
You don't feel like you're in the middle of Orlando.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it'd be a nice break from the parks and all that stuff whenever you're racing around and all that, just to be able to come and enjoy looking at the animals and it being quiet. And they usually try to feed the animals in certain spots to where they come over to where the people are.
Yeah.
Ah, there's the zebra. There's a bunch of zebras out there.
So at times they try to have a brain. They try to put
hide behind the trees like you can't see me. Red light. Green light. Yeah.
No, no. We're watching the giraffe.
So we're over here at Kidani Village and near the pool, and they must be playing some pool games because the kids are over there having a really good time. Isn't that fun? They're having a blast over there. See, and then they have things for the kids to do. They do the Mickey tie-dye shirts and jewelry necklaces. And they can make your own ears. Isn't that cute? Oh, and here's a mosaic.
Yeah. That's cute.
Okay, back over to the animals. We're following the animals. We heard something that sounded like a bull or a cow or something. We're coming over here to see if I can find it. So these are my favorite, the okapis. They have zebra pants on.
Yeah.
I don't see nothing out here. Oh, lada nada. Except for that bumblebee.
Yeah, that's a warrior.
He's
Because
fixing
it
it.
shoots people away.
He's trying to land on my forehead.
No, he's actually wanting me to leave.
He's like, get out of here. I don't see anything over here.
There's some things back away back over
Yeah,
there.
I think I see it way over there. They used to have a black bird. Is he on? No.
Wasn't it?
There used to be this,
Oh, there's a hog.
yeah.
And he's still coming up.
Yeah, him.
Yeah.
He is a little cranky.
Yeah.
Hornbill.
He's over there. I
You see him?
Yeah, he's walking. He just walked behind this. He's over almost near where the net is, or where that fencing is. And there's a. You walk behind this big clump of palms right
Yeah,
there.
I don't think we'll be able to see him on video.
He's coming out. He's coming out. He's behind the hump in the grass now, but he's over there. He must have a nest near here.
I don't know, but he's persistent. Maybe he wants some water. Maybe he's thirsty.
Well, there's water over there.
Yeah, but who wants to drink that water?
There's another one, Mindy. He's walking.
Oh,
that way.
okay,
See-
yeah, I see him.
see if you can see.
Yeah.
There he goes, and there's one coming up behind him. It looks like the same thing, but I'm not sure.
They're just so far away. They're usually hanging out on this wood over here. But they're on their own schedule.
He's hogging the screen.
Yeah. Being photobombed by a bumblebee.
Yeah. Now there's one of the hogs. See it? Over
Yeah, I see him. He's way over there. Let me see if I can. I don't think anybody can see him. They're so far away. Oh well. Let's see. We got a strawberry smoothie and a lava smoothie. So, little afternoon pick me up. Alcohol free. So mine is raspberry, coconut, and pineapple.
what mine is other than
Yours is strawberry and strawberry.
Strawberry and strawberry.
Yeah?
It's real good.
Hits the spot.
Yep.
You think that'll get you through your walk back to the car?
Yep. A little bit of a sugar rush to be on I-4 and
Yeah, so get us through
I-28.
our drive home through traffic. All right, well, I think that we're going to make our way back over to the car. I'm trying to decide if I want to pop back in the gift shop over there and get that Rafiki shirt. That was cute because I can wear that next time I come over. And boy, those kids are having a blast, aren't they? So I think we're gonna head back and yeah, make our way back to the house. We had a good time. Mom had a good time. Mom?
Yep.
Yeah?
Had a good time. But always have
Mom-
a good time when we hang out.
Mom likes it that I drag her over here and buy her lunch. That's her contribution.
I'm her taste tester.
Taste tester, yeah. Nah, she makes the video a good time. I have a good time hanging out with Mama. All right, till next time. Bye, guys. What you got, Mom? Mom's gonna take these seed pods home and see if she can plant them.
Yeah, see if we
Are-
can get them started. I think they're the French pennies.
Are some of them better than others? Like,
These are in good shape.
okay, she got it.